Joseph Cintron, your real estate agent. San Antonio home insider. Joseph Cintron, your real estate agent.
Hi guys, welcome back to the show, and I'm Joseph Cintron, your realtor with San Antonio Home Insider, and again I've got
Morgan Carbon from New Braunfels, Clayton Homes in New Braunfels.
Yay! And you guys, if you've seen the other model home that we saw, it was $179,000 for that particular beautiful home. That one was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This one's a 4-bedroom,
3 bathrooms,
3-bath, and you're gonna love the configuration on this home. And I'm just gonna say the price, $239,900.
Yep.
And right now there's a promo going on.
Yeah, upon your first visit, if you place a $1,000 earnest deposit, fully refundable to you. We, by law, cannot keep that from anyone. You can receive up to $3,000 off the price of the home.
That, or you can actually choose packages that have like washer dryer or.
Depending, it does vary on what we're offering from visit to visit, but the earnest is applied to the first visit.
All right, so come with me and Morgan. Let's go check this out. So immediately when you walk in, you're in the main living room area, and look how big and spacious this room is. It's big, it's spacious, and then it's got the 8.5-foot ceilings. But with the tray ceilings over there, they're 9 feet, right? 9 feet?
9-foot tray ceilings in the kitchen.
And so how you see this home minus the furniture is what you get. So basically the way you see this home, $239,000. Guys, you will not be able to buy a home like this in a community, in a brick and mortar home for this price. I mean, it's upgraded already. You don't need any upgrades here. It's beautiful. So you come in here, and let's start with the kitchen right here. Look how big this counter space is. And I love that you have the, what is this, like the farmer type?
Yep, the deep set farmhouse sink.
Yeah, see, this is all standard. This is standard. Just the way you see it is standard right here. You've got your microwave right here, stainless steel, and then you've got your range, and then you've got a dishwasher over here too, stainless steel. And guys, you also have the refrigerator. It also comes with the home. On top of that, look at all the cabinetry you have here. I mean, guys, does this vent out? It looks like it vents out.
It does, yes. You also have the option between different hood ranges as well.
Guys, I've never seen a manufactured home that vents out the cooking. Yeah, when you're cooking, it vents out all those delicious smells out there, right? I've never seen that. So that's actually great that this company does that. I love the 42-inch cabinetry that they have. And you guys, you've got a lot of cabinet space over here. Look at this. And look, these close by themselves. That's the soft closing.
They are soft close, yes.
And that's standard in this home, right?
Yes.
Look at that, guys. A lot of cabinetry space, a lot of, this will be upgraded in a regular home. This will be an upgrade. I mean, look, you've got enough here for your, and they close on their own. Look, check this out. Very nice. And then you've got all the other features that you have. And so, so we're in the main, and look at this, guys, I forgot to mention, you have a choice. You have a choice of different styles on this one as well?
Yes.
The backsplash. I like the.
So you have different color options.
Different color options. I like this.
You can choose to have it or not.
Yeah. So it just depends on your taste. You can customize this home the way you want it. I love that breakfast bar that you have over here, or the coffee bar you have here. Look at this, guys. And this is also comes with the home. So like I said, guys, you got a lot of extras that is already included in the price. $239,000, you can't beat it. I love the fact that they've got the beautiful cabinetry as well. Look how nice it closes on its own. And then I love this. I would put all the different coffees. I'm a coffee drinker, so I would put all the different coffees in here. And I have actually like this espresso maker that's like a $500 espresso maker. And it'd be perfect right here.
Oh, what? It'd be right at the outlet.
Yes, I love it. I love it. And then you've got, let's go this way, guys. Look at this. And this room doesn't even feel like it's a modular or manufactured home. It looks like you're in a home, a real home, brick and mortar home. You've got your washer and dryer hookup over here.
You have your spot for the deep freeze here.
Deep freezer goes right here, and look at this, guys. And this is included as well, right?
It is.
Look at this. You got more cabinetry space over here. I love it. I love the fact that this house has everything that one might need. Love it. Over here, you have all your utilities in here. And then, so we came through here. This is one bath, and it's a full bath. Again, you have options with this as well.
With that one, I will have to double check.
Yeah, I mean, you might have options to make this into a walk-in instead, a walk-in shower.
Usually with secondary bathrooms, you wouldn't do that.
Yeah, a lot of people don't really, I mean, it's to you if you like that style or not. I mean, this is plenty right here. You actually have a medicine cabinet right here. You don't see that anymore. Those medicine cabinets are gone. And then you walk in here, and guys, check this out. I love this room. I love this. Look at this thing.
No, beautiful. Casa decor.
That doesn't come with the home, but but I mean, guys, you can sit here, you can watch TV, you can be. I feel real comfy here. I don't even feel like I'm in the middle of I-35 in a lot. I feel like I'm in a home.
Exactly.
You know, and you guys can make this your own home too.
And we're on a busy road and you can't hear anything.
That's another thing. The houses are well insulated. We're on I-35, guys. If you know this area, Buc-ee's is right across the street. You've got 4 lanes of traffic going in one way and 4 lanes going in the opposite direction going to Austin, and yet you don't hear nothing. Mm-hmm. Listen to the quietness. You don't hear anything.
Right.
I love it. I love this. This could be a game room too. You can put a full-size billiard table here, pool table here, maybe a couple of video game machines, and make that authentic-looking game room in your home. I love it.
Or a covered back porch is an option as well.
Guys, you've got option to even have a covered back porch, and you have also, if you don't like the sliding door, you can actually put a regular door here, and then they'll add 2 windows to it, right?
Yes.
So even more lighting for you guys.
The covered back porch would be in place of this space.
Oh, so this would be
so
a
the
covered
den
porch.
would become the back porch.
So if you like outdoor living, that's another option that you might want to think of. You know, maybe you might want to have this as an outdoor option. Why not? Love it. I'm loving it. Love the tray ceilings too. And then look at this bedroom. I've seen houses that have a master bedroom this big.
I know.
It's a shame.
I just moved into a rental that is actually that.
Yeah, it's the master bedroom this big.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. You got a huge. This is a secondary. This is bedroom number what?
4.
4.
Yep. So
room
11 by 14.
Yeah, and look, you got good sized windows. You've got a walk-in closet in here with a light. You know, so you don't have to fumble in the dark what you're gonna wear.
Right.
I like that. A lot of builders don't do that. And then, so we walked to 4. We saw master bedroom already, so that's 2.
We have not gone into the master.
Oh wait,
yet.
no, we have not gone to the master, guys. Wait till you see the master. You're gonna love it. So we're going backwards. So 4, 3, right? 3.
Yep, 3 with a walk-in as well.
So you got a walk-in, real
also
nice
have
walk-in, and I love the trimming that they do in these homes. Again, nice, good-sized walk-in closet. And I love the fact that the Hollywood bath is still around because you share. I mean, I love this one because you've got the dual vanities right here. Check out the dual vanities that we have here, and you've got your enclosed shower right there, or bathtub and shower. That looks like a garden tub.
It is.
So you've got a garden tub in there along with the commode. Very nice. I like that you can close that out and then people can still use this for washing and stuff like that. Very nice. Love it. So you have bedroom number 3.
Yes.
So bedroom number 3 is here. Same configuration. You've got your walk-in closet, guys. I love that every single bedroom has their own walk-in closet. Stuff you don't see anymore.
Right.
You know, and this house has it all.
Especially if you have kids, you want them to have storage so that it's not invading on yours.
Exactly.
You have the
right.
2 linen closets in the hallway as well.
And guys, look, you got linen closet with wooden shelves. I mean, come on, guys. You're paying money for a home, and you've got the panel doors too, which is nice. You don't have those cheap doors. You have the panel doors that makes upgrades the house, makes it look nice.
And those are standard. That's our secondary linen. That's also.
This is standard here. So you've got 2 linen areas right here, as you can see, and they're actually elongated, so they're nice. They're wide, a lot of room. Love it. I still love this floor. Yeah, I like the floor because it doesn't look dirty. The color.
Can't forget about the pantry.
Hey, we forgot about the pantry. Hey, I'm from New York. You know, we New Yorkers, we like pantries, okay? So, guys, you got walk-in pantry right here. Again, shelving. You can actually add a 3rd shelf if you wanted to put something up there if you want it. I love it. I mean, it's great. It's great for entertaining. I love the open concept that these homes have. I even failed to mention that this is part of the package. I mean, you've got your pendant lighting here, or if you want a can lighting, you can, but who would want can lighting when you've got this beautiful piece of artwork here? I mean, it's artwork to me. It matches, it looks beautiful. I'm really in love with this home. I really like it. Guys, check out the master bedroom real quick. Look how big this master bedroom. Again, they put queen size in here, but you can easily fit a king size bed here.
Absolutely.
Full size
A couch, maybe an armoire as well.
I would put a couch right there, or 2 chairs right
A
here.
little sitting area if you read.
Yes, yeah, a little area for yourself and all that. I love that they have the tray ceilings in all the main rooms, which is nice. And I like the fact that they have this right here. Check this out. This is very nice. You got the barn door, which is also standard.
Yes.
Guys, check out the master bathroom in here. Oh my gosh. I love it already. I mean, you've got your dual vanities right here. You've got all that easy close cabinetry right here. Plenty of space for storage. But guys, this is standard here. Look at this. And I love that they have check this out. The faucet is here. It's not here.
Not underneath it.
So that way you can open it up and not get drenched, right?
Yeah.
So very good concept. I love that they did this, and this is the way it comes. The way you see it.
Yes.
So this is standard, guys, the way this is right here. Very standard. I love it. I love this. I love this home already, and I'm in the market to buy one of these, and this to me is perfect. I love the fact that you've got the tall windows, a lot of lighting coming in. You can frost these later on. You know, they sell a little frosting that you can put on here. That way you have privacy. But I love this tub. This is a beautiful tub. Just like the other one that we saw, this one's perfect. It goes perfect right here. It's a soaking tub. It makes you feel like you're in a resort. And then you've got your walk-in closet over here. Guys, look at this walk-in closet. I love this walk-in closet. I'm dressed for words here. Look how beautiful this closet is. I mean, this is standard, guys. This is something that you would actually purchase as an option if you're building a home. Well, this is all standard. The way you see it is the way it is. I love the home. And you've got the commode.
Separate water closet.
There you go. What do you call it?
The water closet.
No, I've never heard of that one. The water closet, guys. It's the commode to me, the latrine, like we say in the military. And fun fact, what's his name? Thomas Edison was outside one night, and he was in the latrine back in them days, and it was dark. And he thought, while in the latrine, I need to invent something that's gonna light up this, because at night you might have creatures, all kinds of stuff here, and I might step on something. So what did he do? While he was in the latrine, he thought about the electric light, and that's why today we have lights. But a fun fact, right? I love it. And you've got a medicine cabinet here as well. And you also have a window. Very nice. This home has everything you need. It has it's configured for everything that you want, you can possibly need. And for the price point of it, you can't really see the price point in here. You cannot see, it's perfect. For me, this is a beautiful home. I love it. And guys, you got that 10-year warranty, right? Guys, I hope you loved this tour as much as I did. Again, $239,000. also you've got different options for financing, right? Let's talk about that a little
we
bit.
do. We have quite a bit. So we work with VA, USDA, FHA, home only, land and home, things like that. Definitely worth it to come on in and take a look. We deliver all
guys,
over the state of Texas as well.
Veterans, you guys don't need a down payment.
Correct.
I know, because the VA loans, you don't require a down payment. And if you already have a piece of property that you want to put a home like this in there, why not think about, instead of building a house, why don't put one of these? You've got more for your bang for your buck on this. I love it. Guys, thanks so much for watching the show. Morgan, thank you so much for being here and giving us a tour as well.
Absolutely.
And we'll see you at the next tour. Bye.
Thank you.